Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so yesterday, the bulls really did what they needed to do. They got back up over the 200-day exponential moving average on the mini, and they closed above that area. That area is still coming in right about 1312. I mentioned to my subscribers that the bulls really did not have the luxury of being able to rest going into today, because if they did that, what they would do, it would make yesterday look like an anomaly. And so the bulls are doing what they have to do right now. They're running with the ball. They've run it up as high as 1319, and we've actually just retested that area. It's about 7:35 a.m. Eastern time as I am taping this, and we're just getting a retest at 1319 and a little give back. This particular launch up to 1319 started off right at 1312.25. So what you're seeing is a concept that people talk about a lot about in technical analysis, and that's resistance becoming support. And that's what we're seeing the 200-day exponential moving average become. It was resistance on Friday, it was tested yesterday and broken through, and now it's becoming support. If that's the case, if it is now support, and the bulls can come up off of that level, then that opens up as high as 1338 to 1341 for this bounce. Now, in the big picture, there's still a ton of wood to chop through. If you're a bull, nothing has changed in Europe, so you really have to have a mind on selling these rips, at least for a period of time, because this is really going to be a two-sided market. But for now, what it looks like on the daily chart is a pullback and a test to the 200-day exponential moving average, and the bulls are going to go ahead and continue to bounce this. If the bears can get it going today and can break back below 1312. 1312 is the pivotal area. If they break back below 1312 and can close below there, then what you'll see is a lot of the money that came in yesterday thinking, the coast is clear, that money gets chased away, because those hands tend to be weak hands. I mean, they haven't been in very long, and they certainly don't want to ride another 30 to 40 to 50 to 100 handles on the downside. So if they lose 1312, you're going to see the selling pick up. So 1312 is the area to keep your eye on today and for most of the week. That's your real make or break area in this market. Okay, let's do support and resistance. Current trade 1318 even. So on the upside, I've got 1318 half, 1322 quarter, which is your 9-day pivot, 1328. And then there's a number of fib levels that go from 1334 up through 1336.75. So when we reach that level, I would expect some very choppy trading. And above that, 1338 quarter, which is your 20-day pivot. Now below 1318, you have 1312, 1311 quarter, which is your 3-day pivot, 1307.63, 1306.33 daily pivot, and 1303. So trading well today, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader for Mr. Topstep. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast.